correlation between time and usage compliance is in part due to the fact that, to their own detriment, many therapists view these only as measurement tools rather than therapeutic tools. Dr. Scott Miller and Dr. Barry Duncan replicated the earlier findings using the outcome and alliance feedback measures that they had developed. These measures were briefer and easier to handle than the earlier feedback scales. In fact, it is the elegance and simplicity of these highly reliable and valid tools that has helped increase the usage compliance rates as part of the routine clinical practice. Included in SAMHSA's National Registry of Evidence-Based Practice and Programs, MyOutcomes automates and extends the clinically proven partners for change outcome management system developed by Scott Miller and Barry Duncan. MyOutcomes is so effective at fulfilling its promise of helping clinicians implement the FIT model that it is now partnered with over 3,500 providers throughout the world. MyOutcomes consists of two 4-item, easy-to-use scales. These can be completed with the updated results available to the therapist in less than a minute. The Outcomes Rating Scale, ORS, is given to the client during the start of the session and provides information about the client's individual functioning, interpersonal relationships, and social role performance. The Session Rating Scale, SRS, is presented to the client towards the end of the session and measures 4 components of Borden's traditional description of the alliance. The SRS gives the therapist insight into the client's perception of the therapist-client relationship and the degree of agreement about the goals and tasks that exist between the clinician and the client. Because MyOutcomes automatically analyzes responses and maps them against age-adjusted norms, it is capable of quickly reporting actual versus expected improvements and detecting problems in the alliance. This information enables the clinician to immediately address potential problems and make any necessary adjustments to the treatment plan if needed.